Right then, so gave it a bath, cleaned it up. Now got some nice shiny surfaces on it. So there was still the skim marks in the cylinder head, so it doesn't look like it's been long since it's had a skim. So all I've done is, obviously if you're going to strip something down and you've had no head gasket issues, it's entirely up to you whether you get it skimmed, or I've just gone over it with some 1000 grit wet and dry and lots of WD-40 just to make sure that it's still okay. The best way is to get a sanding block, so you get a completely flat sanding block and you just take your time with it, because I've got still a little bit of the head gasket residue left on it, but I'll probably get rid of that before I bolt it on, and then away we go. So as far as I'm aware, the skimming marks, they look okay. So all I've done is just took the residue, what was left on the head from the head gasket, just so it's a nice surface to clamp down on, and I'm going to have no issues with it. So yeah, that's about it. I cleaned up inside the valve area, got rid of some carbon, got rid of some of the carbon on the exhaust side as well, just so it's nice going back together more than anything. And I think I'll clean the block up. I have got that Doblo Vanta strip down, but I don't want to strip the head off that while I've got this head apart, more than anything. I suppose I could do. I might do that tomorrow though. So yeah, thanks for watching. Any questions, just ask and let me know. If you like the video, please leave me a like and subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more content and get updated when I put out more content, please click the bell notification button. And if you didn't like the video, please leave me a thumbs down and let me know in the comments why. Thanks for watching.